How to make your Snapchat account from public to private. So you want to change your Snapchat account from public to private so that people won't be able to contact you or see the numbers of followers you have, see your content and all that. So in this video I'm going to simply show you how to get that done right here on your device like this. The first step you need to take is to go to your Snapchat app like this. So right here is my Snapchat app. The next step you need to take right here is to go ahead and click on your profile found at the top left corner of your screen. So right here on your profile like this, at the top right corner you can see the gear icon. So you simply need to go ahead and click on the gear icon like this. So the next step you need to take in order to make your public account to become a private account is to go ahead and click on this place where you can see contact me. You can see that right here. Change it to friends like this. From friends and contacts, change it to friends. Now the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click here where you can see view my story. So right here you need to go ahead and click on only friends, or you can simply go ahead and click on custom and select the numbers of friends you want to be viewing your stories on Snapchat. Here I'm going to go ahead and click on only friends like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on comment settings. Click on comment settings like this and click on manual approve. So once you select this, all comments are going to be approved manually by you first before it is being published on your account. So the next step you need to take as well is to go ahead and click on this place where you can see my location. So right here you need to go ahead and turn this on where you can see ghost mode. So once this is turned on like this, once this ghost mode is enabled, your friends won't be able to see your location or know where you actually reside. So this needs to be turned on. If yours is turned off, you need to turn it on. So with this you'd be able to change your Snapchat account from a public account to a private account. Hope this helps. Now do us hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.